Hello guys! Welcome back sa aking YouTube channel. In today's lesson, meron ulit tayong mathematical problem na nanggagaling sa Battle of the Brains Grand Finals 1994 College Division. And here's the question. P varies inversely as Q. The value of Q is 2/3 when the value of P is 1/2. What is the value of Q when P is 3? Ma-encounter nyo yung tanong na yan sa grade 9 math nyo second quarter. Okay? In order to get this, we will take the formula of the inverse proportionality, which is P equal to K over Q. K is the constant. The word itself, constant, hindi po siya nagbabago. Okay, tingnan natin yung unang given dito. The value of P is 1/2, so substitute natin yan. Is equal to K, lapag lang natin yung K in order to get it. Q is equal to 2/3. So how will we get the value of K, the constant? We will just simply multiply 1/2 sa denominator, right? By 1 times 2 is 2, 2 times 3 is 6. 2/6 is not simplified, so let's make this as a simplest form, which is 1/3. Kaya the value of K is 1/3. I-box natin yan. Eh, paano to? Nag-iba ang value ng P. Substitute ulit natin. 3 is equal to the constant. What is the constant ulit? Ano value ng constant? Very good. It's 1/3. 3 is equal to 1/3 over Q. Paano natin makakuha ang value ng Q? First, i-multiply lang muna natin ang denominator, which is the variable only, at saka ang P. So, 3 times Q is 3Q is equal to 1/3. So, para natin makuha ang value ng Q, mapapansin naman natin may nakalabas na number rito, which is 3. Ilalagay natin siya rito by dividing it. Divided into 3. So, if we're able to take the solution of that, 1/3 will be multiplied to 1/3 kapag na-reciprocate ang 3. Kasi ang reciprocation ng 3 ay 1/3 or 1/3. Okay? So, 1/3 times 1/3 is equal to 1/9. So, the value of Q is 1/9. I hope you learned something new. It's me, Bernardo Escorial. Stacker out.